Hi guys, this morning we are at my mom's house and I'm gonna do a bit of a refresh on one of her containers. I don't remember what plant she had earlier, but it was pretty full and it looked good for the longest time, but it was starting to get a little tired, so she had her gardener pull it out and I thought, oh, I'll come over here and put a few plants in there for her. So her front yard is west facing, so this will receive sun most of the day, and all these plants can take full sun, if not part sun. There is a tree above, and I should have found out what kind of tree this is, but I'll get back to you and I'll insert it as soon as I find out what kind of tree she has. So in the spring, when the leaves start coming through, it'll give her a little bit of relief from the sun as it begins to shift over. But by then, maybe we'll swap out the plants again for some more spring and summer appropriate plants. So I'm going to go ahead and plant them, and then we'll go over all the plants together. The ornamental grass in the middle is a dwarf mountain flax. It is zone 9 to 11, and this will be happy in this pot for quite a while. When it starts to get a little bit overgrown, we can move it to a different part of the yard. The white daisies are Soprano white from Proven Winners. If you look closely, it's almost like a pale yellow. It's a white daisy with a pale yellow margins. These deadhead themselves, so you never have to come in and deadhead the flower. A little bit of Dusty Miller for some color contrast, and Violas. These will all be happy here easily until springtime, and when that happens and some of these start to tucker out, we can swap them out for some warm weather flowers. These all love the cooler weather. The Proven Winners White Daisy is zone 9 to 11, and they enjoy the sun, but they're more of a fall winter flower. And I think that's it. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy 2020, and we'll see you soon. Bye.